Today we have learned the next point, that is logic gate in the chapter semiconductor device. There are two signals, one is the analog signal and second one is the digital signal. The signal which varies continuously, that signal is called as an analog signal. If we can see the sinusoidal voltage or a current, it varies continuously. The signals, this analog, are used in the electronic circuit, then that electronic circuit is called as a analog electronic circuit. Its output is varies according to inputs signal. Now we can see that a digital signal, a signal whose contains two discrete values, that means high value, that is 1, and low value is 0, then that signal is called as a digital signal. In this digital signal, we should consider the example of a square wave. It should have a high values here, that means that high value is 1 and low value is 0. This is the example for digital signal. If we can see the analog signal, this sinusoidal wave is the example of that analog signal. When we can consider these digital signals, that digital signals is used in an electronic circuit, then that electronic circuit is called as a digital electronic circuit. Now we should learn about this logic gate. Logic gate is nothing but it is a electronic circuit or a digital circuit in which one or more than one input signal but only one output signal, then it is called as a logic gate. This logic gate contains a truth table. This logic gate is nothing but a switching circuit in which there is the relationship between the input and output. If we can consider this logic gate, that logic gate's output is either low or a high. Now we should learn about this truth table. Truth table is nothing but the function of this logic gate. It shows the relation between the input and output signal. It also gives the working of that gate. This logic gate contains a symbol. These are the symbol. This logic gate contains truth table. We can see the one by one the truth table of each gate. And that logic gate also contains a Boolean expression. Boolean expression is nothing but there is a mathematical statement between the input and output signal of a logic gate is called as a Boolean expression. That is the mathematical statement. If suppose the output is denoted by y, then we can say that it is a Boolean expression when we can represent them in terms of a mathematical equation. There is the relation between the input and output signal. Now that truth table we can see for the three basic logic gate, that is NOT gate. This one is the NOT gate, the next one is the OR gate, and the next gate, that is AND gate. if we can see the first gate, that is NOT gate, that NOT gate is nothing but a gate in which only one input and only one output. Its output opposite to that input, and so it is called as a inverter also. NOT gate is also called inverter. If suppose we should use a 0 input, then its output is 1. When we should use a 1 input, its output is 0. When we should write that NOT gate in terms of a truth table, at that time, suppose we can consider input, and suppose in this column that is output. When there is a 1 input, then its output is 0. When the input is 0, its output is 1. This is the truth table for the NOT gate. When we can write a Boolean expression, that is mathematical statement, and that mathematical statement is suppose input is x and output is y, then the mathematical equation or Boolean expression is, we should write here, that is y is equal to x bar. The output is our opposite to input in the NOT gate. This is the first basic gate, that is NOT gate. Now we can see the next gate, that is OR gate. It is also called as a logical addition gate. If more than one input in this gate but only one output, here we should use a 2 input, and when we can consider the combination of that 2 input signal, at that time we should get a 4 condition when we should use 2 inputs. If suppose both inputs are low input, if the one input is high and second is low, if second is high and first is low, or both is high, at that time when we can consider this OR gate, at that time we should get these are the 4 conditions. Both are high, either one is high, and both are low and both are high. These are the 4 conditions. Input is represented, that is IP. These are the short form for that input, and OP is the output. When we can consider OR gate, it is a just logical addition. That means when we should write here 0 and 0 input, at that time output is added, that means we should get here 0. 1 plus 0, that means we should get 1. 0 plus 1, at that time we should get 1. And 1 plus 1, we can say that it is 2. But there are the 2 discrete values, only 0 and 1. And so we should write here only 1 here. This is the output of this OR gate, in which we can say that either one input is high or both is high, then output is high. Otherwise output is low. The Boolean expression for that OR gate, that is y is equal to, if suppose we should use here A input and B input, if suppose here A input and this is the B input, and its output is going to suppose y, we can say that this y is equal to, it is a logical addition, so we should write A plus B. This is the Boolean expression for that OR gate. Now we can see the next last basic gate, that is AND gate. This AND gate is defined as when more than one input, then only one output, that gate is called as a AND gate, and logically it is called as a multiplication gate. That means here, if suppose we can consider 4 inputs condition, that is 0 0, 1 0, 0 1 or 1 1, what will be the happens? This is the A input and B is input, and its output is suppose Y. AND is nothing but the logically multiplication. That means 0 multiplied by 0, we should write here 0. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0. And 1 multiplied by 1, that means we should write here 1. From this condition, we can say that in AND gate, when both input are high, then output is high, otherwise output is low. And the Boolean expression for that AND gate we can write, that is Y is equal to A dot B. This is the Boolean expression. These are the symbol for that logic gate. These are the truth table for that logic gate, and this is the Boolean expression for that logic gate. When we should write the Boolean expression for OR gate, that is Y is equal to A plus B. In this way, we should learn about the 3 basic logic gate, and we can see the next gate in the next lecture. Thank you.